Welcome to ILIFE India's YouTube channel. Today, we will be looking into the complete demonstration of the ILIFE A20, an incredibly advanced robotic vacuum cleaner. Its high technology features and design cleans your home effortlessly. First, let us see what we get in package content. A charging dock, a cleaning tool, an extra HEPA filter, a mopping cloth with a base attached, a charging adapter, 2 side brushes, a 2-in-1 dust and water tank, and a user manual. Now let's see and learn how to do maintenance of the robot. There are 3 clip sensors on the right, center, and left, as well as charge pins. Take a tissue or white cloth and wipe them if there is any dust. This is a side brush. Hold it, pull it out, sometimes hair gets tangled here, clean it, and put it back. This is a nose wheel. It can also be cleaned easily if there is any hair or particles stuck in it. Remove the roller brush cover like this. It is washable, but make sure before reusing it should be completely dry. This is a 2-in-1 floating roller brush. Clean it with a cleaning tool if there is any dust or hair tangled in it. Clean the wheels like this. Repeat this cleaning process once a week for better robot performance. Let's proceed now with the dust tank cleaning process. For mopping, open the lid and pour the clean water. Do not use any disinfectant like Dettol or Lysol. Here you can see a HEPA filter. Tap it twice on the floor to clean it. This is a sponge filter. They are non-washable. You have to replace them every 3 to 4 months. Open the dust tank and use a cleaning tool to clean it. Avoid using any water during this process. To enhance the robot's overall performance, do this cleaning process every week. This is a mopping cloth attached to the base with Velcro, and it is washable. Let's see how to charge the robot. Connect the adapter with the charging dock like this, and ensure that the charging dock is not surrounded by any object within 1 to 2 feet of it. Charge the robot 8 to 9 hours for the first time to maximize battery life. Connecting the ILIFE robot to the ILIFE Clean app. First, download the ILIFE Clean app, register, and log in with your credentials. Now click on Add Device, turn on Bluetooth, and select ILIFE Clean. Connect your Wi-Fi, and make sure it should be 2.4 GHz network. Turn on the robot. Pressing the power and home buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds, until you hear "Start pairing the Wi-Fi." Confirm Wi-Fi is blinking. Next, click on Go to connect. Connect to a smart Wi-Fi network. A20 connected. This is the interface. Here you see the map. You can customize your home cleaning in 4 different ways. Smart cleaning, where robot will clean in a path pattern. Select room, where you can choose a particular room to clean. Zone cleaning, create a square to clean a specific area. Where to sweep, pin, and select an area or room to sweep a certain area. Tap on Map Edit and create a blue square for the mop restricted area, and a red square for the no-go zone area for robot. You can also make virtual wall to stop robot from entering in sensitive area. To edit the map, click on Map Custom Edit. Here you can merge, split, and name the room. Click on Merge and select the room to be merged. To split the area, select the room to be split and click on Split to save. You can name the room, select your choice, and confirm. For customized cleaning, you can select the frequency of cleaning, water level, and suction power for each room. Order. Set order of cleaning. Click on Reset to reset all custom. Set your cleaning preference by customizing work mode, water quantity, and suction power, and turn off the custom mode if not required. Click on Setting, Timer, for scheduled cleaning. Select time, days and customize your cleaning preference for every day and each room. Room Manage. Here you can save up to 3 different maps. Record. Here you can check the detailed cleaning history of the robot. Voice and volume. Here you can control the voice of the robot and also change the language. Switch to Disturb. Turn it on if you don't want the robot to clean at a specific time. Manual. To control the robot manually. Consumables Management. To check and maintain the parts of the robot, once they get below 20%, replace the parts. Looking for the machine to find the robot. Switch on the Auto Boost feature for carpet cleaning. Breakpoint Continuous Scanning. While the battery gets low, the robot stops cleaning, gets back to the charging station, and after it is fully charged, it resumes cleaning in the same position. Turn on Y-shape cleaning to remove stubborn stain. To connect with Google Home and Amazon Alexa, click on the I button or check the link in the description. Thanks for watching. For any query, call us at the toll-free number mentioned in the description.